Good morning, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new. If you're new, make sure to click that red subscribe button to join my YouTube family. And I also do have a Patreon, so if you want to support me over on there, I will link it down below as the first link in my description box. I do post an extra 2 videos on there every single month. But today I thought I would bring you guys along another healthy what I eat in a day. I've been recently getting into a couple new recipes, so that's pretty much why I really wanted to do this video, to share it with you guys. I'm always looking for easy recipes that are healthy so I can incorporate it into my routine, and also potentially find recipes that are going to be great also for meal prepping, because you guys do know I like to meal prep, and that has been a big reason on helping me to keep on track with my health journey and health goals. I will have down below my health and fitness playlist. In that playlist, there's a bunch of meal prep videos, but these are some of my new recipes that I think you guys are gonna love. Let me know if you try anything out. And before I jump into it, comment down below, what is your favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even snacks? Which one do you like the best? I am really hungry right now. I'm running a little bit behind, so I wanna just jump right into my breakfast. And this has been something that I've been having quite often, and that is just a little scramble of egg whites and some veggies. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start it and share with you what I put into it and all of that, and you guys will see the end result. For breakfast lately, I've been reaching for a scramble, so I've been using this Kirkland egg white. I picked these up from Costco. What I've been loving adding into my egg white scramble is just some cut up spinach and as well as tomatoes. And then you'll see at the end what I like to put on as a sauce. Have my scramble and then 1 slice of this naan toast. I love this. I like to just eat it together. I feel like I made a little too much, but it's okay. It's gonna be a bigger breakfast. And to top it off, you cannot forget some sriracha hot chili sauce. So I love putting this on top of my scramble. I love everything hot and spicy, so this just gives it even more flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast and then catch up with you guys once I am making something else. Quick little update. I went ahead and finished my breakfast, and I'm just going to relax here a little bit. I've also been drinking water throughout. I feel like I say this in every video, but it's essential to try and keep up with your water. Probably gonna make my coffee soon. I haven't had a coffee, honestly, in like 5 days. So I think I deserve a coffee, and I'll share with you what I do. My sinuses are getting cleared from this sriracha hot sauce. I love that. But I'm gonna catch you guys once I am making something else. I just have my iced coffee here, and then as always in my coffees, I always just add a couple of cap fills of the skinny syrup vanilla. It literally makes any coffee just taste good. Cheers. Now that I have my coffee in hand, thankfully, I am going to move on to lunch, and I'm actually trying this new recipe that I've been wanting to try forever, so hopefully this goes well. It's just going to be a sandwich, but trust me, it's gonna be a little bit different. I found it off TikTok, but I'm changing the sauce for it. So it's a little bit different, but that TikTok just gave me such a good idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything out that I need and just share with you how I'm gonna make it. And I also want to share with you a detox salad that I've been making in bulk as meal prep, because I'm going to start that now during lunch so I can have it for dinner time, because the longer it sits in the fridge, the better. And this salad I also found on TikTok. If you want easy, simple recipes, TikTok is where it's at. I'm going to share with you today how I make my chickpea sandwich. So as I just showed you guys, I went ahead and rinsed some chickpeas. Now I'm going to make the sauce. This is what I'm using for the sauce for the chickpeas. So I'm going to be taking some plain Greek yogurt and as well as these guac dip that I actually picked this up from Costco. It is such a great snack. If you guys don't have this, all you're going to need is still the Greek yogurt, an avocado, and some lime juice. I'm just going to use these though, since these are going bad soon, so I want to finish them up. And I'm probably just going to use a little bit of water because you're going to blend it, and this is going to be your sauce for the chickpeas. I went ahead and put my chickpeas into this bowl and I took off the peels. So now I'm going to go ahead and just put the dressing or sauce into it and just mash it all up. So that will be the base of the sandwich. Mashed it all up, and all you have to do is add this into your sandwich and whichever type of vegetables you want to add, whether that's spinach, onion, celery, tomato, whatever you want. That's what I'm going to do, is just add a few extra veggies into the sandwich. Right now I just have the toast in the toaster, and then I'm going to actually make a little bit of soup as well. I've shared with you this soup before. This is how it came out. I went ahead and put the chickpea spread on top first on the toast, and then I put some chopped up celery, tomatoes. You can also put onions, spinach, whatever you really want. I'm gonna go ahead and close this, cut it up, and then I am just finishing my soup. My soup is done. I've mentioned this soup before, but it is super delicious. It is homemade. All you really need is water, some diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, garlic, onion, and black beans. And yeah, this is my lunch. Feeling like a sandwich and soup because it is so dark and gloomy today and it's rained. So I thought this would be the perfect meal to have. You guys are on a makeshift tripod, so I'm gonna do this quickly. I'm gonna take my first bite and we'll see how the sandwich tastes. That tastes so delicious. I feel like this is just a great alternative to have instead of having the typical like meat sandwich. I love the chickpea mixture. Totally recommend it, and it's also a great source of protein as well. Of course, I have my soup on the side over here, which you guys can't see. This tastes so bomb. I already know, I've had it a million times. I'll either have this for lunch or dinner a lot of the time because it's that good, and I am such a soup person. Let me know if you're a soup person. I feel like you either are or you're not. I also went ahead and filled up my water, have my coffee to the side, of course, gotta hydrate with some coffee too. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lunch, and then I'll catch you guys once I'm either having a snack or I'm going to start the dinner, because I want to prep the dinner in advance so it's ready for dinner time. So I'll share with you how I do that. It is a little bit gloomy and dark outside right now, so hopefully it gets a little brighter because the rest of this video is probably going to be super dark. It's raining on and off. It's just one of those days. That's why I'm just very chill. I thought we'd just do a what I eat in a day. Let me know if you guys try any of these recipes out. Let's go ahead and eat. I am the messiest eater, so I'll catch you guys later. For snack right now, I'm just going to have a banana. I like to have some sort of fruit, whether it's a smoothie or just having a fruit like this. But today I am feeling a banana, and as you can tell, I need to start eating these. So I'm gonna have this right now as a snack, and then I'm gonna share with you how I make dinner. Banana done. As you last saw, I just had my snack. I had a banana, and now I am prepping my dinner just so that it's ready to go for when it is dinner time. I already went ahead and cut up the veggies, which I will show you guys in a second, but this is an amazing salad to meal prep. It is a detox salad. I actually found this recipe on TikTok and it tastes so delicious, so I have to share with you. First, I'm gonna share with you the veggies that you will need to put into it. And then after I share with you that, I'm gonna share with you everything you're going to need for the dressing, and the dressing makes it taste so delicious. Over here is the basis for the salad. I just went ahead and cut the veggies up because that obviously takes the longest time. I just have my cherry tomatoes. I have a red onion. I also cut up some bell peppers. I have a red and yellow one. You can use whichever ones you want. And then of course I have my cucumbers. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this into a big bowl. To start first, I am just using some apple cider vinegar. I use almost 1 cup of the apple cider vinegar and just put it all over. Then you're just going to add a few different spices. Over here are just the spices you'll need. You'll need some garlic as well as some Italian seasoning, and then a little bit of salt and pepper. This is how the salad turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours before I have this with chicken for dinner. I did go ahead and add the feta cheese, and I also did add a little bit of olive oil drizzled on top as well. But this is a super great thing to meal prep, and you can have it every single day with some sort of protein for like lunch or dinners, and it's been my new obsession. For a midday snack, I'm actually gonna have one of these muffins. These are homemade, they're so delicious. They are banana and oat muffins. If you guys are interested to know the recipe, let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and have one. This is so delicious. This is my last meal of the day. This is going to be my dinner. And as you guys saw, I meal prepped this earlier today, and I just put on some grilled chicken breast. This is gonna be my dinner. I like to have something a little bit lighter for dinner because I did have a more filling breakfast and I've been snacking throughout the day. This is a typical dinner, or honestly lunch, that I like to go for. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you like these videos. Like I said, my fitness and health playlist will be in the description box. I have a ton of videos if you guys are interested in anything health, fitness related. Definitely go binge watch that. I will also have my Patreon down below, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. And if you want, support me over on there. There's a ton of story time videos and behind the scene wedding videos right now. I do post 2 times on there every single month. Click the subscribe button. We are so close to 1 million. It means so much to me. And with that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!